In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Iconify plugin in Figma to quickly find and insert icons into your design. If you're working on a website, app interface, or even a simple mockup, adding icons can help make your design clearer and more polished. The Iconify plugin is a convenient tool because it gives you access to a huge library of icons directly inside Figma, so you don't need to leave your design file or search the web manually. To begin, open your Figma file and go to your active plugins list. From there, launch the Iconify plugin. Once the plugin opens, you'll see its interface appear inside Figma, ready for you to search through available icons. If this is your first time using it, take a second to get familiar with the layout. The main thing you'll need here is the search bar, since that's where the icon finding process starts. Next, click into the search bar and type in a keyword that matches the kind of icon you need. For example, you might search for something like menu, cart, search, user, or settings depending on your project, and try to keep your keywords simple and specific. That usually gives you cleaner, more relevant results. If your first search doesn't show exactly what you want, try a close variation or a more general term. This can help you discover more options without wasting time. As you search, the plugin will display a library of matching icon results. Take a moment to look through them carefully. Even when several icons represent the same idea, they can differ a lot in style, thickness, and overall visual tone. Choosing an icon that matches the rest of your design is important, especially if you want your interface to feel consistent. When you find the icon you want, click on it to select it from the search results. The plugin will then place that vector icon into your Figma project, where you can move it, resize it, and style it just like other vector elements in your file. This makes it easy to integrate the icon into buttons, navigation bars, cards, or other interface components. That's all it takes to use Iconify for inserting icons into Figma. Once you get comfortable with this process, you'll be able to work much faster and keep your designs looking clean and professional.